All right, we're on Down the Outdoors, but here in Howardsville, Missouri, at my cousin's house. And I put on a fish show for him. We cooked some fish outside, fighting mosquitoes and everything. But I just want to give y'all a look at what I did today. We had some fried okra. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's good. And then we throw down with some good old fish strips that I made up out there, fighting mosquitoes and everything. But we got it done. I'm gonna do something y'all don't like me to do, but we'll see how it works. Do this taste test. Man, we got some old school music going. Fighting mosquitoes outside. It's off the chain. Good old fresh Mississippi River catfish. Look at that. Got to have the bread. Hot sauce. Oh yeah. All right. We'll see you next time on Down Outdoor Adventures, Vacation, Retirement. Oh yeah, baby.